Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Google Ads. This is something many advertisers need when expanding into new markets or relocating their business. So let's walk through what's actually possible and what the limitations are. First, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're there, sign into your Google Ads account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard where you can see all your campaigns and account information. Now, from here, turn your attention to the left navigation bar. You're looking for the admin menu, which houses all your account level settings. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Once you click on admin, the menu will expand to show you several options. From these expanded options, locate and click on account settings. This is where Google stores all the fundamental configurations for your account, including your payment details, time zone preferences, and currency setup. You'll now be presented with your current account settings page. This page displays various pieces of information about how your account is configured. Look for the time zone settings section on this page and click on it. When you do this, a drop-down message will appear with some important information you need to be aware of. Now, here's where things get a bit tricky. From this drop-down message, you'll notice something significant. Google Ads clearly states that it is impossible to change the currency directly. The reason for this is that your time zone and currency are permanently tied together from the moment you created your account. This is a built-in restriction designed to prevent accounting inconsistencies and billing errors. To understand this better, click on the Learn More link within the message. This will take you to Google's official help documentation. In the help documentation, look for the section specifically about currency settings. Take a moment to read through the guidelines carefully as they explain the full situation. What you'll discover is that Google Ads locks your currency to the country you registered with during account creation. This means the only way to actually change your currency is by creating a brand new Google Ads account from scratch. When you set up this new account, you'll be able to select your desired currency on the billing page during the initial setup process. Your existing account unfortunately cannot have its currency modified after creation. So, while you can change the currency on your current account, you now understand the workaround. Creating a new account with the correct currency from the start is your only option if you absolutely need to bill in a different currency. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.